In this video, I will show you how to redeem Roblox promo codes. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you do have a promo code that you're looking to redeem, say it's a physical code or a code that you've maybe won in a virtual event, then to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is come up to the address bar at the top and you're going to see it says roblox.com/home. All you need to do is get rid of home after roblox.com and replace it with promo codes. So promo codes with an S on the end. Go ahead and hit enter, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. From here, as you can see, it says enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below. So what you would do is click into the code box here, enter your promo code into here, just like so. And once you've done that, be sure to check the box here, and then come down and click the redeem button at the bottom. Now, of course, this is just an example code, so it's going to come up saying invalid code. But for yourself, once you've followed that steps, that's going to go ahead and redeem your promo code, and you're going to receive your virtual item or whichever prize or gift you got with your promo code. So that is how to redeem Roblox promo codes. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.